Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about 5 interesting Chinese characters. At the end of this video, we're going to talk about the culture. So we have cultural tips based on what we have learned so far. Okay? And the first Chinese character we are going to learn 水. 是为水. It means water. Water 水. Let's see how to write it. 一二三四 4 strokes. Let me write again. 一二三四 4 strokes we have 水. So why today's Chinese character is interesting because all the character system is based on the 5 elements. You have watched the Japanese cartoon, you probably know the 5 elements: water, fire, wood, earth, and gold. And today we don't have gold, but we have water, fire, wood, and soil, earth. And then I will talk about the last Chinese character. So next one, we come to 火, 呵, 乌, 我, 火. It means fire. Let's see how to write it. 一二三四 4 strokes again. 一二三四火 呵 乌 我 火 Okay, and then next one 木 么 物 木 wood. Okay, 木 一二三四 4 strokes again. 一二三四 木 When I'm writing this character, what I'm thinking is that when Chinese people gave the name to the babies, they don't go to the baby's names dictionary. I don't think we have such a thing in China, but they will find some fortune teller and to see, is there wood that's less in this baby, or fire or water? So based on that, they will give the baby's name, but not like the baby name will be 水 water. No, they will use it maybe as radicals. And let's just take mu as example. This is another Chinese character. Okay, it's lin, so it's double mu, then it's another word. So suppose, for example, if the baby was thought by the fortune teller that doesn't have much mu, then the fortune teller gave the parents several options of the Chinese character which has mu in it. So, and then this is lin. There are lots of Chinese girls whose name is Lin. It sounds like the English name, Lin. Right, that's part of the culture. And next we come to 土 t u 土 soil, earth. Okay, I'll write soil here, or earth. 一二三 3 strokes is easier. 一二三土 So after I gave you all the writing, handwriting, and the pronunciation of the word, we're going to use them to make new phrase. They're going to, when they combine with another Chinese character, we will have a completely something new, a new phrase, new meaning. That makes it actually interesting. Next one is 禾 禾 So 禾 from the picture you can see it's a little bit crop, it's growing. So that's exactly what this Chinese character means. 禾 Let's see how to write it. 一二三四 5 strokes. That's the most strokes that I made today. 5 It means crop. When I'm writing it again, I'm thinking why we need to learn 禾 禾 is very important for Chinese people. Since we were like 3 years old, since we started speaking, we are required, all the babies are required to recite poems which is about saving every grain that we eat. Like on the table, we don't like to see 1 grain of rice dropped on the table. We have to eat it because the farmers who grow every grain in the farmland are very, very tiring and exhausted making those grains. So we don't want to waste their sweat. So that's why we need to learn 禾 That's all the Chinese character today. Let's just use what we have learned today to make some new phrase here. We have some examples. For example, 水 water. We can have the phrase 山水 like mountain and water. 山水 drawing is very popular in Asian China. Next one, 火,火山. Shan, you know, mountain. 火山 together, that's volcano. 火, you can also say we have learned 大, which means big. 大火, big fire. Then, of course, you will have 小火, small fire. Oh, I just used the connect. You can see that? This is how I wrote as a grown up, but I'll write it again. So this is how we learned it from the beginning. Right, 小火, small fire. 木. This is the most common one. 木头, wood. 木头 is the same as 木. It's just more colloquial. 木头. And next one, 土. 土山. It's like a hill full of dirt made of soil. And 河. 河 is not easier. So you can see from my examples here, we don't have the phrase made from 河. But 河 is often taken as radicals. In the daily conversation, daily language, right now I'm thinking I don't use 河 very often. But I know what it means. I know that when it combined with some other words, then it will mean something new and meaningful. And then we're going to use what we have learned yesterday to make some phrase. Like 1月, that means January. 2月, February. 3月, March. 4月, April. So you can see that it's easier. It's easy logics to use Mandarin to understand each month, because basically it's just on order. It's not like English. You have to remember separate different words like May, 5月, June, 6月, 7月, July, 8月, August, 9月, September, 10月, October, 11月, November, 12月, December. So basically you can just say 月, which means moon, and then you just add numbers in front of it. Then you got the month. 12月24日. This is the Chinese habit of speaking month and date. We start from year first, year, and then month, and then day. Okay, which is the opposite way from the UK. And then we have 石山, a mountain made of stone or rock. 石山, 大山, big mountain. 水田, it's like a field full of water. 石头, stone. 小石头, small stone. So you see, based on what we have learned, you can actually make loads of phrases. If you want, you can practice more telling me your birthday, maybe it's too private, or any date you want to practice, written on the comment section, and to make more new phrase, and I have a look and I help you correct it. Okay, thank you for listening. See you next time.